Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the road.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I just looked at these. They're called banyan tree residences. I just asked them the lowest price range, and it was 28 million baht. So 28 million baht is like almost $100,000 or $1 million almost, I think. I didn't do the math on it, but there's some pretty cool stuff in here. So I also saw a temple. We're not too far from the waterfront as well, so it makes sense that the prices would be high like that. But these are pretty cool, these little alleys in here, and some of the housing, what they got outside the housing. Actually, what they live in is really cool. I think I like that more than, I think the condos are expensive. But I think it's almost better to, yeah, I don't know. I'd say it's better just to be on the rental market. They said, I've heard that Bangkok's a rental, it's like a good renter's market. So if you're a renter, you can basically get all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, it's beautiful in here. These nice canals. So this is all along the waterfront. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, actually, we're kind of in a whole cluster of temples here. So let's see. I think we can go. Can I walk this way? So I think I can walk this way. I'm trying to get back to the main street. But there's a lot of beautiful temples everywhere. This looks like maybe a place where the monks might live. It's more like a housing situation instead of... Oh, it's hard to say. Anyways, didn't expect this. Dog way over there. Hope we can keep going. It looks like this is all like different monks. I was thinking that has a deer on it. Wow. That has a washing supply, shampoo. Huh. This is what I'm afraid of. I'm gonna end up in I have to go back around in a circle now. So I think this is just where the residential housing of the monks, and there's a security guard, but he let me go. I thought I was gonna go through to something else. So right here there's a bike lane, so I'll just take this bike lane, try to walk out of here. Let's see what we can see. This could be a dead end too. Dang. Let's just see, how do we get out of here? Huh. I'm gonna follow this. There's like a little bike. Hello. So we're gonna follow this bike because I think there's a stop sign and a bike. So I think they're just gonna follow in this little space here. But it's interesting. Food court. Yeah, we're right into the residential. So it's like, yeah, you could go in almost any of these directions. No, just say bike path. So yeah, I don't know what to expect. That means I have to leave the camera on, and you can maybe be surprised with me too. Tell you one thing, it's really quiet here. Oh, didn't see myself there. Okay, well, I hope it leads out into the main street. Wherever it goes, it looks like it's going to be interesting. So we're going to come out to the main street right here. Surin building. Well, wherever we are, we're at the main street now. It's really nice and laid back and quiet here. Well, I guess this is at 5 minutes. I think that's a good spot for the ending of this particular one. So we found our way through that.
Chiquinha.